Welcome to this Paytm Data Engineer interview preparation session. In this video, you will get 5 real interview questions with structured answer strategies. Follow the interviewer prompts and structure your response for strong selection outcomes.
Can you explain how you would design a fraud analytics pipeline that processes 50 million transactions daily in near real time? Please focus on the streaming architecture and trade offs.
To design a fraud analytics pipeline handling 50 million daily transactions near real time, I would leverage Apache Kafka for scalable and reliable streaming ingestion. For processing, I'd use Spark structured streaming or Flink to perform feature extraction and apply ML models in micro batches, balancing latency with throughput demands. The trade-off involves slight delay for stable processing versus pure event processing. I'd handle edge cases like late arriving data by watermarking and include thresholds to reduce false positives. Finally, continuous monitoring and alerting ensure operational health and effectiveness.
Can you explain how you enforce PCI DSS compliance rules when managing a financial data warehouse pipeline, especially regarding data security and governance?
In enforcing PCI DSS compliance, I begin by classifying all payment card data within the warehouse pipeline to ensure sensitive data is clearly identified. My approach includes encrypting data both at rest and in transit, implementing strict role-based access controls, and maintaining comprehensive audit logs to monitor access. The trade-off often involves balancing performance with encryption overhead, so I optimize by encrypting only sensitive fields. For edge cases like data anomalies or unauthorized access attempts, I implement automated alerts and periodic compliance audits. This ensures both security and continuous governance in a financial data environment.
Can you explain how you'd efficiently store and query large-scale time series transaction data using Apache Druid or ClickHouse in data engineering role?
In handling time series transaction data, I leverage Apache Druid or ClickHouse for their real-time ingestion and rapid OLAP query capabilities. I start by designing schemas aligned with the query patterns, typically partitioning data by time intervals and key dimensions like user or transaction type. This enhances data locality and speeds up queries. There is a trade-off between data freshness and storage cost, so I balance real-time ingestion with batch processes to optimize resource use. For edge cases like late arriving or corrected transactions, I implement incremental ingestion or upsert mechanisms. This approach ensures efficient queries while maintaining data accuracy and scalability.
Can you explain how you use Apache Flink to perform stateful stream processing specifically for financial event sequences in a real-time setting?
In financial streaming, I leverage Apache Flink's Kit state capabilities to maintain per transaction context, enabling real-time monitoring and anomaly detection. The use of event time processing with watermarks helps handle out-of-order financial events, ensuring correctness. I rely on Flink's exactly one state consistency guarantees to maintain data integrity. A trade-off is balancing low latency with state size and checkpoint overhead. To mitigate this, I design efficient state schema and tune watermarks carefully. This approach ensures robust, scalable stream processing tailored to financial event patterns.
Can you explain how you would implement reconciliation between Paytm wallet balance snapshots and transaction loss to ensure data accuracy and consistency?
To implement a reconciliation, I'd first aggregate all transaction logs over defined intervals to calculate expected wallet balances. These computed balances would then be compared to actual wallet balance snapshots to identify any discrepancies. I would build this as a batch or micro batch pipeline to balance timely detection and system load. The trade-off here is between latency and completeness. Smaller windows offer faster checks but may miss late arriving transactions. Edge cases like missing, duplicated, or out-of-order transactions would be handled by incorporating transaction IDs and idempotent checks. This approach ensures data integrity and helps quickly flag anomalies for resolution.
This completes your Paytm Data Engineer interview preparation set. Practice these answers aloud, refine clarity, and repeat daily for stronger interview performance.